Hello friends and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing a new topic, that is terminology of IC engine. This is your internal combustion engine. It consists of different parts such as inlet valve. If you look at it, this is your inlet valve, spark plug or fuel injector, exhaust valve, cylinder head, cylinder, piston ring, piston, connecting rod, crankcase, crank, BDC, and this is your TDC. Then, what is the basic terminology behind the IC engine, or what are the different terms in the IC engine that we have to know? So, the first is your cylinder bore. That is the inner, that it is defined as the nominal inner diameter of working cylinder. Now, if you look at this figure, this is my cylinder and this is my bore, that is inner diameter of the cylinder. Then the next is my piston area, which is indicated by capital A. It is defined as the area of a circle. That is, my piston area is same as the area of a circle, which is given by pi by 4 d square, and it is equal to the cylinder bore, and it is equal to the cylinder bore. Then the next term is stroke or the stroke length, which is indicated by the capital A. It is defined as the nominal distance through which a working piston moves from TDC to BDC. The nominal distance through which a working piston moves from TDC to BDC, and it is equal to the twice the crank radius. It is equal to the twice the crank radius. If you look at this, this is my TDC. Sorry, this is my TDC and this is my BDC. The distance between, or the nominal distance, when the nominal distance between these two dead center is called as stroke length. The nominal distance between these two dot dead center is called as a stroke length. Then the next term is my dead center. There are two dead center in IC engine. The first is bottom dead center and the second is top dead center. The bottom dead center is defined as the dead center when piston is nearest to the crankshaft. It means if this is my BDC, again this is my BDC, which is nearer to the crankshaft. This is my crank. So BDC, that is a dead center which nearer to the crank, it's called as a bottom dead center. Then the next dead center is top dead center. That is a dead center when piston is farthest from the crankshaft. So this is my TDC, and when a piston is at TDC, it is farthest from the crankshaft. This is my crankshaft and this is my TDC, which is the farthest from crankshaft. When piston is at TDC, the dead center is called as a top dead center. Then my next term is displacement volume or the swept volume. It is defined as the nominal volume generated by the working piston when traveling from TDC to BDC, and it is given as Vs is equal to A into L, where A is the area of the piston and L is the stroke length. Now look at this figure. This is my TDC and this is my BDC. The piston is from TDC to BDC, then some amount of volume will be generated. That volume is called as swept volume. So this is a swept volume, which is defined as the nominal volume generated by the working piston when traveling from TDC to BDC. Then the next term is my clearance volume, which is defined as the nominal volume contained in the cylinder above the top of the piston when piston is at TDC. If you look at again this figure, this is my TDC. When a piston is at TDC, then there is some amount of volume will be generated. If you look at this, then the some amount of volume will be generated. That volume is called as my clearance volume. Then the next term is cylinder volume, which is the total volume of the cylinder, that is the summation of swept volume and the clearance volume. Then my next term is compression ratio, which is defined as the ratio of total cylinder volume to the clearance volume, that is Vs plus Vc upon Vc. It is defined as a compression ratio. Then the last term is piston speed. It is defined as the average speed of the piston, and it is calculated by the formula piston speed is equal to 2 times of length into the n, where L is the stroke length and n is the speed of the engine. Thank you.